So, I think I'm back. Looks like my cam studio crashed or something, so that's interesting. And when it crashed, all that was left was this flashing thing here. Alright, so I'll just recap quickly what I was trying to play with. So, on my last reboot, I saw that this thing popped up, and I thought, well, that looks like it could be a virus or something. For right this second, I'm going to just leave it alone. So it looks like it's something for adware with through Lavasoft. I don't have adware installed on this computer right now, but I'll look into this a little bit later. So let's see here. What I wanted to do is see if my browsers are still hijacked. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so what I'll do too is this is what I had investigated in the last video, and then my computer crashed. Alright, so we're going to go into Task Manager and just look at what's running, try to figure out what shouldn't be running, all that good stuff. Alright. Now, let's see here. I'm pretty sure I came across something under the processes, but for sure I came across something under services. So let's see here. When I sort by this, I'd come across the Saophase service was running. Let me open this up real quick here. I stopped it, but I was still automatic. So it says it's not running. Let's see here. Disabled. Apply. Okay. What else? So search module update. I noticed this one was looks a little fishy here. But what was the other one that I saw? It was like dot matrix. Okay. Alright, now that I disabled that service, what I want to do is try to delete the Saophase folder off of my hard drive. So we're going to C, program data, Saophase, right here. Delete. Do you want to delete it? Continue. That actually worked. Look at that. Okay, so I had to not only disable the service, but I had to reboot the computer, it seems like. Because in the previous video that crashed, I disabled the service. I basically right-clicked and then selected disable, or stop, I should say. I stopped the service, and then I tried to delete that folder, and I still was unable to delete it. So let me go like this. I am going to empty my recycle bin here. Empty, yes. Get rid of that junk. And hide it. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here and then reboot the computer one more time, and we'll see the effect that had. So stay tuned. Okay, so one more time before I do the reboot, I was just looking through here. So I'm back in the Task Manager. I am under Services, and I saw this. Fixsoft ORODZCT dog. So I was like, okay, what's that? So I click Services, which opened up this window. I went to Fixsoft, and when I right-click on this and go to Properties, it's doing something under Bob App Data Local Technozone.exe. So I am going to kill this disabled. I don't know what it is. I'm not into techno. What is this? Shoppers. That just does not look good either. So let's disable this. Disable. It almost looks like Spybot or something might have shut off a bunch of these already, but IE search set. Oh, look at this. Okay. I know for a fact there was something else that I had come across, and let's see here. Audio service. Audio service. What is this? Properties. We'll leave that alone for now. AE lookup service. Okay. So this one we just stopped. Computer browser. That sounds a little sketchy. Computer browser. Okay, we'll leave that. Crypto, boom, boom, boom. This one I just disabled. Extensible authentication. Health key. Okay. Alright, so in the process of all this, pretty much killed my Internet Explorer browser, which I don't normally use anyway. But let's see here. Okay. Let me see, what is this one here? Man, I can't remember what. There was one that was like dot matrix something socket or something. Let's see here. Okay, plug and play power. Super fetch. There you go. Super fetch. That just sounds. Here you go. Properties. Huh. Okay. Distributed line tracking client. Distributed line tracking client. That's a Windows sys32 file. We're going to leave that alone. Paragon, for right now, that sounds familiar. Crypto telephony. Alright, was it this one? Nalpiron, LM. No, okay. So that one I think is a licensing service for Corel or Adobe products. Spybot Windows Defender. Huh. Security services. IE search set. Okay, so, alright. That should be good for now. What I'm going to do is reboot, and we'll be right back. And we're back. What's up, everybody? Okay, so we just rebooted the machine. And we're going to open up. Alright, so check this out. So I just opened up Firefox, and it changed my preferences. So it changed this to my home page again. And if we go to options, it's changed it to show my home page instead of show Windows from last page. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. Applications here. Let's see here. QuickTime IRC. right. Search. Change it to Google. Remove. Remove. Twitter as a search engine? Come on. Okay. Alright. So let's close out of this. Because I was looking at this web companion thing again here. And I went to browser settings. And I'm wondering if, we're going to see, but I'm wondering if this web companion has been trying to change my home pages all the time. So, let's see here. www.google.com. Custom duplicate homepage. Okay, your current home. So you can see it just changed it from the Saophase to the Google. And no, we don't want that. Default search engine should be Google. Okay. Let's try reopening. Look at that. Oh, okay. Google.com. So you can see, I just rebooted. My computer's already dragging. So something's going on here. MSN.com. Let's just open up a few YouTube.com. Okay. Now, what is this search engine here? Google search. Okay. Okay, we're going to close that out. So that was Firefox. Let's see if it saves my tabs. So it saved my 3 tabs, but it still looks like it's opening, like upon opening, it's opening a different home page. If I go into options, it's saying to go to google.com. So I still have something hijacking my browser. Let's see here. Firefox. I wonder if they, let's see here. Let's check the properties. Okay. I don't see anything there. Firefox. Let's go to properties. I thought maybe it was launching it with a, like, a command or something along those lines. So I don't see anything there. All right, let's go into Chrome. Okay, let's fix the home page here on Chrome. I don't like that home page. Settings. Ah, jeez. So this is happening before, but in Chrome, as you can see, my settings are basically wiped out. Like, there's nothing displaying here. So we're going to need to probably reset the browser or something. I don't know. Settings. That tells me typically that it's still hijacked. Because browser, malware, viruses and stuff, they don't want you to be able to get into settings so you can remove them. Okay. Now what? Let's go back into the task manager, see what we're talking about here. Bamboo, that's for my tablet. DivX. HK command module. Internet Explorer. So now, see now let's end these Internet Explorers. Let's see, do I even have Internet Explorer? PPS.exe. That just looks... That looks sketchy. That looks sketchy to me. Baidu. Jeez. Okay. BID. PPS. China. I don't like it. Let's end that. Cam Studio, that's what we're using now. Spotify Web Helper. Spider, that's for my calibrator. Wacom tablet. Web companion. I still don't like that web companion. Why is it using 50 megs just to run in the background? Okay, PPS. What does that Baidu? Let's see if there's a service for that. BA browser, computer browser. Browser. BTH serve. Okay. My ILO P. I don't know. Okay, so what about the PPS thing? LMNOP PLA performance logs. Okay, so I gotta figure out what's. Let's see here. Does Windows still have like a startup folder? Maybe this thing is old school, and it's. Okay, let's see here. Look at this stuff here. Okay, 9/11. NT BT log. Huh. Why on 9/11? Edit plus. Huh. Okay. PFRO. App data temp. PFRO. PFRO. Oh, registry keys. I guess this could be in the registry. Windows update log. Edit plus. Okay. You know, I didn't check in the registry yet. I didn't play with the registry. Bootstat.dat. That just doesn't look good. Okay. Set up ACT. Okay. Audio, huh? Odd mig. All right. So, Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is just another box, another reboot. Let's see, date modified. See, this is the stuff that gets me concerned. Like, what is this? Let's get rid of this guy here. Delete. Okay. Okay, update Peter. So this is something that's still on the machine. gplayer.exe. No. See, I just ran. Look at this shit. So I just ran gplayer.exe and it's trying to run roaming IQI video gplayer setup. No. Okay, C name program data. Roaming. I already forgot what I was clicking on here. C users Bob app data roaming. C users Bob app data roaming. Delete it. Wow. Good. Okay. Now let's delete this one. Why? Okay, so we just got to figure out what this is here. So this is C IQ, and this is I would assume this is what's causing it to reassign my program. See how this is all up in there? All up in that. Okay, wow. Alright, so let's reboot, and then we're going to figure out how to get rid of that, and we'll be back shortly.